Alright, today we're going to go over Fieldpiece's new SRH3. It's our new induct diagnostic psychrometer. Probably the most unique thing about this is the induct capabilities and the wand, so let's check that out. This is the psychrometer so you can easily get your dry bulb, wet bulb, dew point, or relative humidity inside the duct. And the SRH3 also does target superheat and target evaporator exit temperature calculations with those measurements. So let's check out the thermistor sensor. It's right there in the tip. Now you notice on the wand there's a flat side to it. Let me telescope it out. There's a flat side to it so you know what direction the airflow is going. So you point the flat side into the airflow to get the most accurate and fast reacting temperatures. This is a 36-inch wand, and it also has etchings on the side so you can see how far you are into the duct. So you can see that 3 right there, and that means you're 3 inches into the duct, 4 inches, all the way to 32 inches into the duct. So you can easily measure the correct temperature at the center of the duct by using the etches. Alright, now let's go check out the display and the buttons on the SRH3 unit. So the first thing I got is my backlight. I can turn my backlight so I can easily see. The top line is always going to display either your relative humidity, dew point, or wet bulb. Right now I'm reading wet bulb with that WB at the top above the 57. If I press the button, it just changes to relative humidity, to dew point, and back to wet bulb. The bottom line is always your dry bulb temperature. I got my on-off button and the units. That just goes from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Max, min, and hold button just holds the readings on the display. And then I have my mode button, the target superheat, TEET, which is our target evaporator exit temperature test, and the normal. Right now I'm in normal mode, as you can see with the normal right there. If I toggle between modes, you just press the button, and right now I'm in the target superheat mode. Let's show you how this works so you can see how this can do some diagnostics for you. So right now it's blinking 55 degrees. That means it's reading a 55-degree wet bulb. For target superheat, what we're going to do is get our wet bulb in the duct. And so I'm just going to take my wand, stick it in the duct, wait for it to stabilize, and this is just a simulation, so it's going to be pretty stable. I do have a fan blowing across it, so it might drop a little bit. But press enter to lock it in. Then it's asking for my dry bulb. This dry bulb, what I'm going to do is get it outside at the condenser. And so I would just walk outside, go to the condenser, and press enter to lock in that 70 degrees. Once it's not blinking anymore, it means that all the numbers are locked in, and I can just press output to calculate my target superheat. Obviously with these weird conditions, it's going to give me a weird target superheat of 3 degrees, but since we're not on the system, that does make sense. So, alright, now the next feature that it comes with, well, first of all, I'll show you that it does come in a hard case with nice foam inserts to keep it all protected. The wand kind of slides in right in this crack so you can keep it safe. And it also comes with this little cone. We call it the R cone. What this is for is so you can hands-free test the unit. So I'm just going to screw this on to the hole I made. Take the wand, and then I can tighten it in there so I can lock the wand in place. There we go. Let's get this back to normal mode. And hands-free testing just like that. And that is the Fieldpiece SRH3.